I'm gonna put the stick on it in each balls cake pop. So it's gonna be look like that. You put it back. The kids are loud right now. They always fighting. I think that's what gonna happen if you have a lot of kids. They love they love cake pops. Even my husband like it. I don't know if he's gonna like this one because the one that I make the first time, I just make it using, I think, a baked mix. But this one, I feel like it's too sweet for me. But I just gave one to the kids and they cannot eat it anymore after that, anymore sweet. So it's more better. It's gonna be like, you can consume it longer. So I usually put this back on the freezer. Then something just few that I will use, that I will give to them. Then it's a good treats. Why are you here? You're not supposed to be here. I already give your bottle. I have a 1-year-old who's always following me wherever I go. Especially in the kitchen. I don't know why. He likes kitchen. He likes eating though. So I think the reason why he's always following me in the kitchen is because he know where the food make, and he wanna eat every time. It's more easy now. I'm gonna show you. There you go. Don't mind the background. It's a mess. What are you doing? What are you doing? What is that? What are you doing? I'm making a cake pop, anak. Mm-hmm. Orange? We don't have orange. Yeah, I didn't buy orange. We're just gonna use the dark choco. Hmm. Yeah. Later, anak. I'm doing something. Anak, you know how to wait, right? Do you know how to? Oh. Okay. You just wait, okay? I love you. I love you. I'm bad. So I was thinking if I should put the milk chocolate on it or just put a sprinkle on it. Maybe I'm just gonna put a little bit of sprinkle because it's already sweet. I don't think they can have more sweet. So yeah, I'm just gonna pass for the melted chocolate and just put maybe some sprinkle, or just put this on the powder sugar, maybe. So this is what it looked like right now. So I just decided to put the powder sugar on it. And then I'm gonna wrap it one by one. Christos, you want some? You wanna try? Just one. Okay.
It's already sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet. Cannot have more sweet. Okay,
But
here.
it's to make us my teeth eat.
Yeah, it's not good for the teeth and it's not good for the health if you eat too much sweet. Okay, so you can try that one.
Well,
Atos, you already have one.
one have sugar.
Give me that. I decided not to put sugar on it because I mean chocolate on it because the cake itself is already sweet.
Oh, that icing?
That's powder. Just a little bit. I don't put. Taisi, you want cake pop? Is it sweet? So I'm gonna put it one by one in the. I'm gonna cover it one by one, okay? So when you want cake pop, you're just gonna tell mommy, okay? There you go.
You making a video?
Yeah, so I'm gonna wrap it one by one. I'm gonna put it on the Ziploc and put it on the fridge, okay?
Hello, guys.
Just wrap it one by one. Okay? Yeah, because it's so sweet already. We don't need too much sweet.
Yeah. Could you eat too much?
It's like ice cream.
I want one more to get one.
Oh, you already have one.
Okay.
Tomorrow again, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for understanding. We need to put this on the freezer.
That tastes yummy though.
Ito is yummy. Yeah, but it's too, it's sweet eh. Maybe later.
Later?
I'll give you
That's
another.
gonna be a long day.
Ay,
I'm gonna
are you
eat-
complaining?
No.
Okay.
I'm not telling you.
You have to move a lot, so you do like a little bit of exercise.
Okay, so
How about clean up there and pick up all the stuff there, okay?
that I don't want to.
Oh, you don't want
How
to?
about I just watch you?
Oh no, you cannot burn calories if you just watch me.
Somebody, you're not gonna put powder?
Yeah, it's
But
already
Memo-
sweet.
God, Memo, you making?
Yeah, but this one, the one that I make is just perfect sweetness, right? This
Yeah.
one, I feel like it's too sweet, so
Yeah,
I'm not
I'm
gonna
gonna
put
tell you.
more.
And Memo, you make some or you make one have glucose on it?
Mhm.
Don't have glucose on it.
Yeah, because this one is already sweet. We don't need to put sprinkles on it, okay?
Yeah. But it's too much. I can move.
It's okay, anak. Okay, put that back there. Thank you.
Goodbye.
The one in the packaging. I'm gonna put it. Here, show it. Show this. That's how it look like. We're gonna put it on the freezer, okay? Say goodbye na.
Goodbye.